this Clever Mama egg pudding from Hong Kong House that I bought from Lazada. Let's try. This is what it looks like. This egg pudding. This is what it looks like. This egg pudding from Clever Mama that I bought from Hong Kong House through Lazada. Let's try. See, egg jelly. It looks good. So let's try. Good. It's good. You should buy this Clever Mama egg pudding of Hong Kong House through Lazada. Happy eating!